Hey guys, how are you doing? So Apple released iOS 18.2 RC2, also known as Release Candidate second version to developers and public beta testers when we were waiting for the official release of iOS 18.2 to all the comparable iPhone models devices that is running on iOS 18.1.1. Looks like there are some emergency fixes that needs to be done, like either it could be security fix or bug fix, but as usual Apple didn't mention these things clearly in the RC2 version release notes. Based on the importance of releasing the release candidate 2 version, we can understand that some emergency bug fixes have to be fixed. It could be security fixes also before officially releasing the iOS 18.2 to all the compatible devices. This can also help you to come out of the beta version if you're planning to download the stable version. Like if you have updated to the iOS 18.2 RC version last week and waiting for the official release, you may not see the update as you will be using the same build number that matches the official stable release that comes to non-beta testers. Whether you have the developer beta installed or public beta installed, you can only update if you skip certain updates, the upcoming updates. So in this case, if you're planning to turn off the beta, then you need to turn off the developer beta or public beta toggle within the beta update settings and wait for the official release of iOS 18.2, which we are expecting either in 3 days, by this weekend or by Monday or Tuesday next week. If you have already updated to the iOS 18.2 release candidate 2 version, then not to worry, like you may not receive the 18.2 once it's officially released. Still, you can turn off the beta updates toggle within the software update page, and you can wait for the 18.2.1. If any bug fixes have to be done or security fixes have to be done, Apple may push it in next few weeks, and you can come out of the beta and update to the stable iOS update cycle once again on your iPhone or iPad. Apple is also expected to release iPadOS 18.2, watchOS 11.2, macOS 15.2, and tvOS 18.2 officially either this weekend or by Monday or Tuesday, along with iOS 18.2 release date. When it comes to the overall performance, I didn't notice any changes, with my iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 12 running the iOS 18.2 beta, along with Apple Intelligence, the image playground, Genmoji, and all other features that we have already covered in our channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first video. If you're using the iPhone 15 Pro and above models, you will see the Apple Intelligence features coming to your iPhone. But other than that, like earlier models, including iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, there will not be big changes coming to your iPhone. But it is a must to update if you're already using the iOS 18 versions like 18, 18.1 or 18.1.1, as the 18.2 brings plenty of bug fixes and stability improvements, which will also result in better battery performance on your iPhone. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.